Maryland State Fair. Hi, honey.
Hey,
We come little early, guys. Yeah, we come little early. The food is really open like 11. There is a certain place that is closed and then open. Closed and then open. Sorry for my English. That's my English. I see some smoking all the way down there. I think brisket. The first thing I'm gonna eat is corn dog. Yeah. It's too early, so it's not much people right now. We just come early for the parking, I guess. Oh, this is the margarita. Oh, that's not. Oh, over there.